It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time on this channel, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share with friends and families. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you the new jeshwang OIC road project, how it looks in rainy season. So guys, let me turn the camera and then start showing you how it looks here in rainy season. So guys, this is the condition of this road project. This is the new jeshwang OIC road project, and if it is your first time on this channel, please just kindly subscribe, like and share the videos. So guys, as you can see, this is how the drainage looks here. Yeah, this road is a concrete road. It's a concrete road. Just take a look, and it has two gutters, like the one at that other side and this other one. Let me show you. And this is the surrounding here. Bala punya pen ya. Yes, hope you enjoying the view I'm getting to you here. Roadwork is still going on. in rainy season. The Gambia in rainy season is something else. The roads are so muddy. Guys, I must enter into this mud. Damn. Even here, but I think here will be better. So guys, this road is a concrete road. As you can see, the iron rods. So guys, this other side already have the concrete like, and this other side doesn't have any yet. The last time I filmed a video here, this other side doesn't even have a concrete. It's like a month ago. If you watch the video till here, just kind of give it a like. It helps YouTube to recommend the video to other audiences. Let me get down here. So guys, this is where they have stopped. As you can see, where's our plane? Guys, I will end the video here. The Gambia in rainy season is crazy. Alright guys, so I'll be ending the video here. As always, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share with friends and families. I'm out. Peace. See you next time. Love you all. Bye. This is all what I have for you on this OIC road project here in New Jeshwang. Yeah, so that's the current update on about that road. I'm out. See you next time. Bye.